In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a macro-enabled template dotm in Word. If you regularly create similar documents and want to save time, a template is your best friend. And if you plan to use or store macros, those little automations that speed up repetitive tasks, you'll need a macro-enabled template, which uses the dotm format. This ensures your styles, layout, and any macros you add are preserved and ready to reuse. Start by opening Word and creating or opening the content you want your template to include. You can start from a blank document or use an existing file that already has the styles, fonts, headers and footers, page layout, or boilerplate text you want to reuse. Take a moment to polish it. Apply consistent styles for headings and body text, set your margins and page size, and include any placeholders like date fields or signature lines. Keeping your template clean and generic makes it more versatile, and it reduces editing time later. When your content looks the way you want, it's time to save it as a macro-enabled template. Go to the File menu and choose Save As. Pick a location you'll remember. Word typically defaults to the Custom Office Templates folder, which is a good choice because it helps Word recognize and organize your templates. Saving there makes it easier to find your template when creating new documents later. In the Save as Type dropdown, select Word Macro Enabled Template, DTM. This setting is important. A standard .docx template won't store macros, while a DTM will preserve them so they're available whenever you create a new document based on this template. If you don't have any macros yet, that's fine. Choosing dotm simply keeps the option open for future automation. Be aware that macro-enabled files can prompt security warnings on some systems, so only include trusted macros you understand. Give your template a descriptive name. Include details like the document type and version or date so you can identify it at a glance. Clear names help when you build a library of templates for different purposes. Once you're satisfied with the name and location, click Save. That's it. Your macro-enabled template is ready. If you ever need to refine it, open the dotm file directly, make your adjustments, and save again to update the template. This simple setup will keep your documents consistent, reduce repetitive formatting, and let you take advantage of macros whenever you're ready.